Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings. Before diving into the video, keep in mind that by following this method or process, your files can be deleted. So make a backup of your files, or you can save one or all file to your device, that avoiding any type of hassle. So now let's dive right in. First, open your File Explorer and click on View, and here you need to check this option, Hidden Items. You need to enable this option from here. As you can see, I have enabled it right now, and then click on Windows plus R key on your keyboard to prompt the run command, and here you need to type percentage app data, then percentage. Now click OK. From here you need to find out the Microsoft file here, as you can see. Now click on it. Then as you can see that my PC to app data to roaming and then Microsoft. Then you need to find the template file. From here, when you find the template file, just click on it, and here you will find a file that named normal or normal.am. This is actually the current format of your Microsoft Word. You need to rename it. Just type normal.old. It can convert your Microsoft Word's current format to the old format. Just open it, and you can see this is the default format of Microsoft Word. Now another way is click on this Windows button and search for Registry Editor. Here is the feature. Just run it as administrator here. Sorry, and I'm going to run it again as administrator. And now it's running as administrator. Now you have to go to H key current user. Then from here you need to go software, just expand it. Now expand the Microsoft file here. Then find out office file from here, and at the top you will find 16.0 file of your office file. This is the current version of your office file, and you just need to expand it. And from here you will find the Word file at the down. Here is the Word file. You need to simply right click on it and delete the Word file. Give the permission, click on yes, and your Word file is now factory resetted. And by this process your file can be deleted. So be aware and prepared to create a backup for your file. And as you can see, this is the default version of the Microsoft Word, here they are asking for some settings, some basic settings. So that's mean now it is totally resetted, and I have just factory reset my Microsoft Word. That's how you can restore the default settings of your Microsoft Word. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.